Hello dear students, welcome back to English with Tips. Today I am going to share with you the way I learned the 12 tenses in English. I learned this method from my father and I think it's an effective method to by heart the 12 tenses. In English language there are two voices. They are active voice and passive voice. In active voice there are three main tenses. They are present, past and future. We can subdivide each tense into four parts. They are simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. So altogether we get 12 tenses. Before we go any further, I want to remind you of one thing. If you want to learn the 12 tenses, you should know the principal parts of a verb. What are the principal parts of a verb? They are present simple, present participle, past simple and past participle. If we take the verb eat, the principal parts are eat, eats, eaten, ate, eaten. Under present simple, there are two parts. They are eat and eats. Eat is the base form. The base form is also called the stem or the root verb. Eats is formed by adding s to the base verb, which is eat. Present participle is made by adding ing to the base form. Past simple and past participle are made in different ways. Here, eat is an irregular verb. So, past simple is ate and past participle is eaten. Past simple and past participle of regular verbs are formed by adding ed to the base verb. Take the verb cook. Cook is a regular verb. So the principal parts of the verb cook are cook, cooks, cooking, cooked, cooked. Now I am going to number the 5 verbs eat, eats, eaten, ate, eaten. V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. To understand the tense, we have to look at the verbs. Verbs tell us about tenses. So taking the verb eat, I have filled this grid. First, we will take the simple present tense. We form the simple present tense by taking V1 and V2. V1 is eat, V2 is eats. Eat is used with plural nouns. Eats is used with singular nouns. Simple past tense is made by using V4, which is ate. When we consider the simple future tense, it is made by will plus the base form. Here it is will eat. Present continuous, past continuous and future continuous are formed by using V3. That is the present participle. That is the ing form of the verb. Present continuous tense is formed with is, om, or plus eating. Past continuous tense is made using was, or were plus eating. Future continuous tense is formed using will plus be plus eating. To form the perfect tenses, we need V5. That is past participle form of the verb. Present perfect tense is formed with has or have plus eaten. Past perfect tense is formed with had plus eaten. Future perfect tense is made with will plus have plus eaten. My dear students, never use will has eaten. That is completely wrong. Now let's move on to perfect continuous tenses. It's a combination of perfect and continuous tenses. First we will take the present perfect continuous tense. As I said earlier, it's a combination of present perfect and present continuous tense. We take has or have from present perfect and eaten from present continuous and introduce a new verb, that is been. Present perfect continuous is made with has or have plus been plus eating. So that is has or have been eating. Past perfect continuous is made with had plus been plus eating. Had is taken from past perfect tense and eaten is taken from past continuous tense. Future perfect is made with will plus have plus been plus eating. Here also have is taken from future perfect and eaten is taken from future continuous tense. Never use will has been eating. It should be will have been eating. Dear students, in my childhood we used shall for I and we and will for other words. But nowadays we don't use I shall or we shall. We use will with I and we also. So I have omitted shall to make it easy for you. The other thing I want to tell you is, remember that continuous tenses are made using the ing form of the verb, which is V3. And perfect tenses are made using past participle form of the verb, which is V5. I hope you know the parts of verb to be. They are is, am, are, was, were, be, been. We use the verb to be to form the continuous tenses. We use is, am or are to form present continuous tense, was or were to form past continuous tense, and be, that is be, to form future continuous tense. Now let's write 12 sentences using the 12 tenses. Simple present tense. I eat rice. Here I is the subject, eat is the verb, and rice is the object. We call it the SVO pattern. You will notice that the subject and object remain the same, only the verb changes. Simple past tense. I ate rice. Simple future tense. I will eat rice. Present continuous tense. I am eating rice. Past continuous tense. I was eating rice. Future continuous tense. I will be eating rice. Present perfect tense. I have eaten rice. Past perfect tense. I had eaten rice. Future perfect tense. I will have eaten rice. Present perfect continuous tense. I have been eating rice. Past perfect continuous tense. I had been eating rice. Future perfect continuous tense. I will have been eating rice. If you want to master the 12 tenses, this is what you should do. Draw a grid with 12 cages. Take a verb. For example, let's take the verb go. Complete the 12 cages using the verb go. Likewise, practice doing this using different verbs. You can do it daily or weekly. This is the way I learned the 12 tenses. You also try it and see the results. Wish you all the best. Thanks for watching.